Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the PHP switch statement and how we can use in our real projects. So switch statement using inside real projects, suppose do you want to make like a multiple condition, you can find like got like one variable. Okay, I can explain like a status wise. Suppose you have a status 3 or 4 inside e-commerce website. Suppose processing there, so we need to show this one. Suppose like a pending there, so we need to show this message. And otherwise we say like a deliver show, so we need to show like this message. So I will explain about the like a one e-commerce related like a status, like you are receiving the order in your backend. After you need to change like a status, and after we need to show like a user side. Okay, right now you have this status. So I will explain how we can use it inside our real project and what's the syntax about the switch statement. So first of all, I already opened my index.php file and also I run this file here. You can see it here. Okay, so switch statement I just start now. So syntax you can see it here. We are passing like one variable. Okay, and here there is a case, and after we have put like a break, after we don't want to go next, once found this value same as a variable name, so you can go here. Let's show you one by one example. Let's create a one variable like $status. Inside there is a pending. Okay, so is a pending means the like status is equal to pending. So whatever their value here there we are assigned to status variable. Okay, I already explained like what is the variable, so you can understand like a oldest video in this series. Okay, so I have passed like here like a status, means here I have passed like a status, whatever parameter variable there, this is the variable value I have passed. So first case my is a pending, so here I can print like echo your order is pending. After whatever do you want to write text, you can do it. I just explain this reason. Okay, and here we can make it like a due to some error please try again, like a suppose due to default part, whatever do you want to type you can type default part, like due to some error please try again. Suppose generate the error, so it's going to default part. This reason I would it like a default part echo inside a due to some error please try again. So let's go to and refresh the page so you can understand what is the meaning about. So here you can see your order is pending. Let's type here like orders words so you can easily understand. Your order is pending. Suppose here is a mistake to passing the value like status. Suppose I pass like a pending 1, so is a this case is impossible to true because the this status is not matching for this value. Okay, so it's automatically going to default part showing the due to some error please try again. So this is the default part, and after we did like break, so we don't want to switch case need to go down, just break, so here need to stop. Okay, suppose now we have another status like a processing. So here I can change like your order is processing, and here our status there like admin can approve to change the status about the processing. So user side show like this, your order is a processing. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it, your order is a processing. This is the same thing you can do it inside a if else if condition, and also you can do it like a switch case inside. So it's the same part, but which part do you want to do which time, this is the your dependency. Same thing you can do it another case like a deliver, otherwise cancel. Suppose I can make like a cancelled. Okay, so here we can do it like a cancelled. So suppose here passing like status is equal to cancelled, so your order has been cancelled, your order is cancelled. Whatever words you can type you can possible, and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it, your order is cancelled. Suppose your order is going to again pending, so showing the pending. So this is the meaning about like a switch case. Whatever passing value here, this is the automatic pass inside case part. Okay, so real project inside if else condition you can use it, also switch case also you can use it. So this is the simple thing, just we need to pass variable and we need to use the cache. So cache wise you can show here your data whatever you want to show here. So this is the meaning about the switch statement. So do you want to not understand anything, so please comment down. Do you have understand everything, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And I hope do you have a clear about like switch case. I hope I am thinking you have clear everything about switch case. And thank you for watching.